If you want to change icon size on OPPO Find X9, first of all we can go to Settings. Over here in Settings, choose Home Screen, Lock Screen and Style, and we can swipe up over here in order to open this menu. Now we can go to Icons, and here we have the personalization of icons, and in here we can find the icon slider. This allows you to make icons bigger or smaller, as you can see over here. And in addition to that, let's actually press Apply. If you want to adjust the size of icons even more, you can also go to Home Screen Settings, and in here we can find Home Screen Layout, where we can use 4 or 5 columns. Of course, if you use 4 columns, icons will be slightly bigger compared to 5 columns, because of course if you use 5 columns we need more space to fit all icons in a single row. And besides that, if we go back to Settings, we can also go to Display and Brightness, and over here we can find the display size. And of course this changes the size of pretty much every element that we have on our screen, but this also should include the app icon. I believe they are now pretty huge now, and in some cases we are offered to also use the simple view. I'm gonna also check if the simple view is actually if it actually has an impact on the app icons as well, but first I need to actually find the simple view. I cannot really remember where it was. There it is. It is of course in Accessibility and Convenience. Over here, as you can see, we can spot the difference between the standard and simple mode in order to we can use it in order to enlarge text and app icons, among other things. So if we enter the simple mode now, these app icons are quite huge. And in this case, we don't have access to the app drawer, unfortunately, so we can only find them on the home screen. And if you want to turn off the simple mode, you can just open Settings, and at the bottom we can exit the simple mode quite easily. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.